Feel like you're not being consistent about your practice and making the time for it? Here's how to start getting more consistent and improve in 3 simple steps. Number 1, look at your goals and find the resources needed to reach them. For example, if you're looking to improve your compositions, you may need to find a video, a class, or a book with tutorials on composition. These are resources to help you reach your goals. Number 2, create a curriculum for yourself, meaning start with the outcome and work your way back to where you are now. Then write out all the steps and follow your plan to stick with it. A good course will provide this for you. Number 3, carve out time to paint and stick to it. I know I've said this before, but it bears repeating. Put it on your Google Calendar if you have to. This becomes so much easier when you have a plan to follow. All you need to do is carve out enough time to do one lesson from your curriculum at a time. The moment I implemented these strategies for my output was when I started learning more and faster. This is part of the strategy that took me from aspiring artist to a professional making a living from my art. Good luck, and I hope to see you in my comments. If you like what I'm posting here on my channel, make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. Did you know I've been working behind the scenes to put together a course for a small but dedicated group of students, and have been doing discovery calls to find good fits. I only have 3 spots left to work with me to create true transformation. If you want to learn more about taking your gouache to the next level, leave a comment below with a way to reach you, such as your social media handle, and I'll reach out to you with more info. Thanks.